Welcome to FILAM Cuisine. Today, please join me in cooking chicken with curry. So let's do it. Here are the ingredients. We have red onion, we have cilantro or coriander, tomatoes, garlic ginger paste, we have chicken breast, we have coconut milk, we have curry powder, and we have olive oil, salt and pepper. We're gonna cook this, and we will eat with basmati rice, which we're gonna cook later. So let's do the cooking. Now the pan is hot already. Let's add oil. Let's keep the stove in medium heat. All right. Now we'll put the onions. Let's cook the onions first. You're gonna saute it really good. The secret in cooking chicken curry is in the process. You know how much time you cook the ingredients, and you really need to follow the procedure step by step. So we'll put like a teaspoon of salt. All right. Okay. And we can add some more later if we need to. All right. At this point, we will the onions really cooked now and a little bit brownish. Now we will add our tomatoes. Alright. So we'll cook this tomato until it dissolves and will become like tomato paste or something. So for now, we will cover it. Now we will add our garlic and ginger paste. Look at the juice. Now it's ready to put our chicken pieces. All right. Okay. Let's give it a good mix. Alright, and then we will add 2 tablespoonfuls of curry powder. little bit more. All right, that's about it. And then we'll cook this saute this for 2 minutes, and we'll mix it first, then saute this for the next 2 minutes. This time we won't add water yet, okay? And we'll be right back. Now let's check our chicken after 2 minutes. Wow, look at the juice. So let's give it a little stir, and we can add water in this, and we will saute this or simmer this for the next 10 minutes. Let's add the water. Let's give it a stir, and we'll simmer this in the next 10 minutes. Now let's check on our chicken after 10 minutes. Wow, it's beautiful. Now this is the time for us to add some coconut oil. Let's give it a little stir, and let's cook this for the next 2 minutes. Let's have the final check here. Wow, smells really good. Now let's put the cilantro or coriander. All right, smells really good. Let's taste it, whether we need to put a little bit more salt or anything. Wow, it's perfect. This is ready to serve. Here is the finished product. Chicken curry with basmati rice.